In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Corona Zen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up your DualShock 4 controller and use it within your Cronus Zen. The Zen is compatible with various different models of controllers, including the PlayStation 4 controller, the DualShock. And I'm going to be talking about how to establish the connection between the console, your controller, and of course a PC or laptop. So there are various different ports, and this is how it goes. The A1 port will be the primary port where you connect the controller, and you will use the other ports here to make a connection with the console. So you use this port at the side to connect to Windows, so you can use Zen Studio to manage the keybinds and other options related to the controller. And at the bottom, you will have the output to connect your console, your PC. So all that you have to do is establish a connection like this. The DualShock controller is connected in the A1 port, so at the side, so to the left over here. So you use a USB to micro USB cable to establish this connection, and then you can connect your PlayStation 4 to the Cronus by using the console USB port at the back. So this one that I showed previously. So as soon as you establish a connection between the Cronus Zen and the PlayStation 4 alongside the controller, you are good to go. You can now use the other ports and connect it to something like a PC, for example. I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to use Zen Studio, but like I said, by connecting it to Windows, you have access to the Zen Studio features where you can change the keybinds, change the options about the controllers, and so on. So all that you have to do is establish a connection like this. After you have the controller, the console, and the Cronus Zen connected, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Cronus Zen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.